Welcome to Brain's World. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you my projects that I have that I'm working on. Also, you're going to learn about other things too that I'm looking for. For example, there's a few years that you'll notice in the video that I don't have. If you have a project that you're tired of working on, you've been working on it for years, it's been sitting maybe in a barn somewhere, let me know. I might be interested in picking it up and it'll be on one of my later videos. Hey guys, this is my 1973 Karmann Ghia project car. As you can see, it definitely needs floor pans and a whole lot of work. This is one of many project cars that I have. I am working on picking up a 74. This is a 73. Hey, got another car here. This is the I believe it's a 71 Karmann Ghia coupe project car. This one was found in a junkyard. And can you guess what its name is? No, it's not Junkyard Dog. One more guess. Its name is El Chapo. That's it. That's his name. El Chapo. All right. This is my 1971 project car. As you can see, it does need some work. When I picked it up, it claimed to have a rebuilt engine, but I don't think so. Or maybe at one point it was. This door was stuck. We couldn't get it open. We actually put a chain on it and yanked it with a tractor to get it open. That was kind of dumb. As you can see, it needs a front end. It's got quite the story of what happened. I actually do have the front clip for it, a brand new one. Well, not brand new, but one in really good shape that I'll be putting on that and fixing this puppy up. It also has new brakes as well. This is my 1970 Karmann Ghia project car. It's a coupe. Its name is Rosie. She was located in a garage. It sat for 30 years. She is beautiful. Look at the condition she's in. Floor pans are good. Everything's good. It's not going to take too much to restore this car. Rosie is a looker. All right, this is my 1970 Karmann Ghia project car. You might have seen it in some of the videos that I've been working on. She's just about ready for me to lift the body off the floor pans. That's going to be in the next video. All right, there's one car that's not on there. It's the 1969 convertible. I do have some pictures of it. It's not in a row, nor is the 1970. The 69, that's going to be delivered at a later date, sometime in November. I'm getting my knee replaced October 2nd. So once I can start walking and driving again, I'll go pick her up. This is my 1965 Karmann Ghia project car. This movie was actually in a movie called Kill Bill 2. They had two cars in that movie. One was, I think, a 72, and the other one was a 65. I could be wrong on the 72, but it's right about there. If you look, sometimes there's a low back seat, sometimes there's a high back seat. When you see the low back seat, you'll see this car. It came from California, obviously. What a beautiful sight. All right, I gotta go over it. Stuck on something. A little shy about her new home. All right, girl. sure those tires stay on there. All right. Gonna turn the wheel a little bit. I don't want to be on funniest videos. All right, back wheels are on the ground. Looks like I gotta move the truck forward a little bit to finish getting her off there. All right, guys, here is my 1964 Karmann Ghia convertible project car. This is an amazing car. She's almost complete, very easy to get the restoration done. Won't really have to find parts. I have plenty of bumpers. She comes with the interior. She comes with an engine. Here's the engine right here. Should be able to get that one running. If not, we'll rebuild it. She does have a boo-boo right over there. As you can see, we'll get that one taken care of. She does have some metal that needs to get replaced, but we've got plenty of metal. That's not a big deal at all. Dash is complete, steering wheel. Very nice car, great condition for a project. Hey guys, this is my 1962 Karmann Ghia convertible project car. She's missing a bunch of things. Some of the body work that someone started was not so good. So I'm definitely gonna have to redo a bunch of things on this one. But you know, she's gonna be beautiful when we're done with her. There's a dash right there. Oh yeah, and it came with a bunch of low-light parts. It's crazy. No engine. Boy, is she beautiful. Can't wait to work on this one. Welcome to Brains World. So I've been on a Volkswagen archaeology hunt. I started all the way up in northern Maine, went to Vermont, went all the way down the east coast of Florida, and now I went all the way back, and now currently I'm in New York and I'm hungry. So I gotta go get my lunch. And as you can see, I've done a little bit of hunting here. So I'm gonna cook some stew that my wife made for me. I'm gonna cook this on the dashboard. So we're gonna have dashboard cooking. All right, we'll see how that turns out, guys. All right, this is my 1960 Karmann Ghia project car. This car's name is Epona. The reason why it's called Epona is because it was found in a barn that was in the barn for about 20 years. Somebody started restoring her, and it was a horse barn actually that it was found in, and that is the name of my wife's horse, Epona, and that's why she's called Epona. This car is pretty complete with everything needed to finish restoring it. In fact, the pans were already done on this. I'm still going to be taking it off body, go through the front end and everything, make sure the brakes are done, etc. It even has an engine, the right engine for it. She is a beautiful car, Epona.
Here we are getting ready to load her in the trailer.
Happy birthday, sweetheart. Here's your 1960 Karmann Ghia convertible. Her name is, guess what? Epona. All right, love you, baby. All right, guys, we are entering my workshop area. Lots of body metal to work with. Ready to do lots of restoration. There's the front clip for Holly Hill. Convertible tops, engines, interior, more convertible stuff. Top, seats, chrome kits, rubber, lots of rubber, buckets of stuff, lots of doors, glass over there. There's more glass, window glass, seats ready to be restored, plenty of parts, hoods, deck lids, clocks, speedometers, latches, everything you need. Multiple sets of floor pans, plenty of lights, tail lights, tons of tail lights. Plenty of bumpers, more seats, more interior, more seats over here, more glass, body metal, everything you need. All kinds of parts, more seats, everything you need. Thank you for hanging out with us today at Brains World to check out my restoration projects. If you have a restoration project that you're finished working on, let me know. I might be interested in it. Just text me at the number that appears here on the screen. All right, and we'll see you next time on Brains World.